The DXZ 2025 A4 DTF printer with roll feeder is built for serious creators and professionals who need high-quality results and faster throughput. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below for the best price. This model stands out for its speed, convenience, and generous features designed to simplify and scale up your print operations. At the heart of this printer is the XP600 printhead, known for doubling the speed compared to older models like the L1800 and L805. This means quicker turnaround and increased efficiency without compromising image quality. With a sharp 2800 by 1400 dpi resolution, your designs will pop with vibrant colors and fine detail whether you're printing on cotton, polyester, leather, or mixed fabrics. A built-in white ink stirring system ensures smooth ink flow and prevents clogging, a critical feature for high-quality DTF printing. This is complemented by a semi-automatic cleaning system that reduces maintenance time and helps preserve the life of your printhead. This model also includes a built-in film cutter to reduce waste and a newly upgraded roller feeder that minimizes film jamming. These small but impactful features result in smoother operation and less downtime. The DXZ printer supports both rolls and individual sheets up to 8.27 inches wide, giving you flexibility for large batch printing or smaller on-demand projects. One of the standout features is the included 2-year supply of ink and powder. Every 2 months, you'll receive 5 250 milliliters ink bottles and 500 g of powder. You just pay for the shipping. It's an excellent cost-saving advantage that adds value over time. Software installation is streamlined and secure with automatic updates, making this printer a strong fit for enterprise use. It's Windows only, so be sure to check your system compatibility before setup. For added peace of mind, DXZ offers a 1-year warranty on non-consumables and 6 months on the printhead, plus 24-hour technical support from professional engineers. This printer is a solid investment for those looking to produce premium custom apparel with speed and precision. Whether you're just starting out or expanding a print business, the DXZ 2025 A4 DTF printer delivers performance and value. And don't forget, click the link in the description below for the best deal on the DXZ 2025 printer today.